Hello guys, and hope doing well. Today I'm trying to use the frequency generator to block the Wi-Fi frequency. It is inside the room, but if we connect device to the parabolic omnidirectional antenna, we can do it for more distance. Very good. Here is the frequency generator ordered over eBay. Supported frequency is 138 megahertz up to 4.4 gigahertz. It is connected to the one SMA main, not the N-type. It is a main cable connected to the simple homemade antenna with simple clip. You can see here. Okay, to test we are going to block the indoor wireless LAN. As you can see, we need the frequency of wireless LAN to try to generating frequency with exact channel number, and then we test the output. We have one command over Windows, and this command is netsh wlan show all. It will show all wireless LAN channels. Then we go to know what is the home wireless channel number. Very nice. As you can see, my wireless LAN name is TP-Link, this one, and the channel number is 7. It is good enough to Google it and find out the channel number. It is very easy to Google it and find out exactly what is the Wi-Fi channel number. Here is the output. I will stay if you're gonna to take it. Channel 7, 2431, and upper frequency is 2453, 2.458, 2.4 megahertz is the wireless range, and exact frequency is 2.458, but we should play a little bit with frequency to do the exact frequency overlap to make jamming with this simple frequency generator. Very good. We will try to ping the router to be sure that we have connectivity with the router exactly here. This one is usually the IP address of the routers are 192.168.1.1. Here we are going to start signal generating with sweep mode. And we should play 202.421 and going up and up and check when the frequency gonna be lose the connection. It is very simple. I'm sure after 2.43 the frequency gonna be overlap and the wireless connection will be disconnected. 2.43 is okay, still okay. 2.44 it is stopped. As you can see, the wireless LAN is requesting timeout. The ping, it means that we don't have connectivity anymore. In few seconds, the wireless LAN gonna be disconnected, and it is completely out of service. I'm changing the frequency to turn back to the wireless LAN, exactly here. I'm going to connect to the TP-Link. Very nice. It is in connecting. But very well, it is back. One more time. I will try. Now the generating frequency is 2.42. We are going to play a little bit with this frequency. 43 is still working, and 44. Very nice. It is overlapping. It is timed out, and wireless LAN will be disconnected in few seconds. Very nice. It is disconnected. Very good. Thanks for watching. This is very comfortable radio. The name is WinNTW frequency generator. As told you before, 138 megahertz to 4.4 gigahertz. Need external 12-volt battery and USB cable. As I told you before, it is not connected to any antenna. The clips, banana clips, or the alligator clips are here, not connected to any place, because of we are not allowed here to play with the frequency too much. Tehran is not allowed to play too much with the high frequencies. Also, if you want to play with the frequencies, you should have license or work with the very low capacity, and do not use any amplifier or any huge antenna, only for indoor. Thanks for watching. I will work more with frequency generator for the wireless phones and the other equipment to know exactly more about sweeping. Thank you very much. Goodbye.